Friends on the Vela channel. Today I will show you how to set up and use Google Authenticator. To do this, we will first need to go to the App Store, or the Play Store. Go to the search and write Authenticator here. Yes, select it. And accordingly, open the Google Authenticator. Next, we will still need to add the code. I'll take Facebook as an example. To do this, I will go to Facebook. Next, click on Settings at the top. Here we need to go to the Account Center. Yes, here respectively the password and security. There is two-factor authentication, choose an account, yes. But this is, for example, that is, you can use another app that you want. I'm using Facebook as an example. Well, accordingly, here I select the Authenticator application, yes, click Next. And here I have the code. Yes, we copy the key and go back to the Authenticator. Go to the Authenticator and click Add Code. Select Enter Key. Accordingly, enter the key here. Yes, insert, enter here. But in my case, it's Facebook and click the Add button. And accordingly, here you will be shown the codes. That's all. Goodbye, everyone.